We got to make sure like our systems can handle another 10, 20, 30x volume, but we should also be prepared financially for another 90% crash.
Hey guys, welcome back to Library of Wealth. Today we have Binance CEO CZ giving us an update on the crypto market. CZ still expects a bull market in 2023, after crypto has been in a bear market for over a year now, on the heels of the 2022 collapse. With all-time highs still on the horizon and 2023 being a recovery year, CZ knows that a sudden collapse can change the trajectory of any market. He says that explosive growth is coming for crypto, and also discusses advice for investors to take advantage in investing in crypto during a market downturn as well. Since Bitcoin's fall from its all-time high of nearly $69,000, we haven't seen any major bounce backs. CZ also talks about market FUD and says that because they're the biggest in the industry, the target has always been towards the biggest players. Let's get right into the latest interview with CZ, as he discusses his prediction for crypto in the second half of 2023. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy the content we do here on this channel. Let's get right into the video.
Actually, in the bear market, I think probably as that driver said, if you can just drive normally and just don't flip, if you just don't skid and go into the ditch. So in bear markets, it's basically about survival, right? So about stability, survival, etc. So in a rainy day, you don't drive as fast as you can, and you want to make sure that you stay on the road.
Let's talk about 2023 right now. What is up with crypto right now? What is the mood that you're feeling?
It's a mixed mood right now. It's an interesting mood right now, I think. So from my experience, like I got into crypto from 2013, right? So that was one bull market that year. So it went from $100 to $1,000. And then, there's a 1 year drop in 2014, and then 2015 we started to recover, and so it's 1 year sharp drop and a 1 year recovery, and then 1 or 2 years of all-time highs. So that's 2016, 2017. 2017, 21,000. That was then everyone's rushing in. 2013 was like a Bitcoin cycle. Everyone's like, well, what was this new thing about Bitcoin? 2017 was an ICO year. So Ethereum ERC20 tokens, anyone can issue a token, a white paper, fundraising. And then 2018 happened, crash. And then 2019, painful recovery. And then 2020, 2021 are again the sort of all-time high years again. And there was DeFi, NFTs, GameFi, Metaverse, all of this stuff. And all of this stuff are still quite new, but a lot of money poured in. And then 2022, there's three arrows, there's Luna, there's FTX, so it was crusher. So I think now, even if we look at the price chart, we're kind of recovering. So now it's kind of a recovering mood, and people are still very cautious. It's not like FOMO yet, but now there's like meme coins, which I don't really fully understand. But there's also, at this stage, it's unclear in 1 or 2 years what's the next drivers that will cause explosive growth, right? I think it might be something new, right? I think NFTs, DeFi, they will continue to grow, but those were inventions of the last cycle. They will continue to grow. But from the angle, what's going to drive the next one? I think the mood is everyone's looking for that right now. We're not sure, and this is why. And when we're not sure, I think this is probably why a lot of people piled into meme coin, and they couldn't figure out what exactly is the next one. Meme coin sounds fun, but it shows that there are funds that are ready to be deployed, right? So people want to buy stuff, and they look at meme coins, they pile in. So that's my read. So we are at, I believe we're at an interesting inflection point. Again, I could be very wrong. Hopefully we're past the bottom of the bear market, and hopefully we are in the start of a bull market. But again, this is not financial advice. This is just a mood thing. But I could very well be wrong. Yeah. There's nothing says we have to get another cycle. The history pattern is quite clear if you look at it, but all swans were white until you saw a black one. So history doesn't predict the future, and we can't just say because previously there was fairly distinct 4-year cycles, there's going to be a new one. So I think we got to take that into consideration. We should be prepared for a bull run, so we got to make sure like our systems can handle another 10, 20, 30x volume, but we should also be prepared financially for another 90% crash. right? So we gotta have the stamina to last. So that's how we would run a business. That's how Binance is structured today. So we can survive on both sides. For people, I would usually recommend similar situations. Everybody is in a different situation, so it's very hard to give advice to individuals. But that's how I usually structure things.
CZ notes people's eagerness to identify the next big trend, which has led to the rise of meme coins as individuals search for investment opportunities. He believes that the market is at an interesting inflection point, possibly transitioning from a bear to a bull market, and advises businesses and individuals to be prepared for a potential market crash, emphasizing the need for resilience and being prepared.
So in bear markets, it's basically about survival, right? So about stability, survival, etc. So I think that's basically our strategy. It wasn't that fancy. When others were failing, we just stayed steady. We stayed secure. There was a massive bank run on us. People withdraw like $14 billion within a week. No, there was basically no issues other than one bank didn't open for like 6 hours. That was a bank issue. And then there was zero issues. We actually told our team, make sure there's zero issues, right? So so that was the best proof that every coin is back to 1-to-1. So we're tested. So this comes back to the Lindy effect, right? So the more you test it, the more secure you could be.
What is the biggest opportunity for crypto? How do we begin to recast a vision for the world of what this industry, what this technology can do in 2023?
Yeah. So I think the question should be changed. It should be not singular, but multiple. So if we talk about internet, right, we wouldn't say what's the next big thing that will drive internet adoption. There's so many different things. There's video conferencing, there's social media, there's Google as an information, hive mind. There's a lot of different things going on. So in the early days, you may say, hey, what's the next thing? I think for crypto, blockchain is beyond one single thing now.
CZ explains that the focus shifts to survival and stability during bear markets. He believes that it becomes crucial to drive cautiously and maintain stability to avoid potential pitfalls. CZ describes their approach as steady and secure during such times without relying on fancy tactics. He highlights the importance of thorough testing and suggests that the biggest opportunities for crypto should be reframed to focus on multiple possibilities. He believes that similar to the internet, in the world of crypto, the potential for advancements and applications extends beyond a single driving force. What did you think about the latest interview with CZ? And do you think we'll see all-time highs for crypto in 2023? Comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Library of Wealth. We'll see you in the next video.